Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove the Drive plugin of RedmineUP from Redmine 7.0.0 stable. Currently, this is the very latest Redmine and it was released a couple of months ago, and we are currently in the middle of 2026. So yeah, this is also going to happen on Ubuntu Linux 26.04. So here 04 means that it was released on April this year, 2026, and it is an LTC version of Ubuntu, so meaning it is a long-term support. It is going to be supported and active a lot of years ahead. So in other words, this is a great operating system, all right? Okay, so to continue further, we need to just open our terminal of Linux, and this is going to happen here. Just to open the terminal, and you have to navigate to the path and directory of your Redmine, which in my case is this path. However, in your case, it could be something different. So please double check the path before you start anything. So most probably in your case, it could be different. So the path here pointing to Redmine could be different. Okay, so the very first command that we need to do is to downgrade our database. So it is happening with a command that I'm going to show you. So it is going to delete and drop every table related to Drive plugin into the database. So it is going to remove the Drive tables from the database. So it is going to be done via the command sudo bundle exec rake Redmine plugins, and name of the plugin, that is Redmine Drive. And the most important part of this command is actually this thing. This is version 0. Okay, so this is actually going to drop the tables of the database, and the last parameter is Rails, and that is going to be production. Okay, so yeah, production. So please keep in mind that this is actually a one single command in one row, but I have zoomed in my terminal for you to see it better. So that's why it is into two rows, but you know that it is a single command. Okay, so we click enter and wait for the command to happen. So if we see these messages, this means that everything is going successful. So we see that remove foreign key drive entries, we have drop table issue drive files, remove column drive entries, remove column, and so on. So this is dropping every table of the database. Okay. So the next command that we need to do is to just remove the folder of the Drive plugin itself. So we have to go to the plugins, and then if we list now, we see we have Drive folder here. So we could also check this in the files system of your Ubuntu Linux. So you have to just copy paste this path, go to the files system of Ubuntu, and paste it here, and here it is. This is the Drive plugin. Okay, so we need to just paste the we need to delete this folder. So yeah, we need to do it with the command sudo remove and name of the folder. So this argument here means that it is going to delete recursively every folder that is inside the Drive folder. For example, we have Drive folder, and inside we have 10 folders. In these 10 folders, one of them you got 100 folders and so on. So this argument is going to delete recursively every folder and everything inside the Drive. Okay. So we click enter, and if we list now again, we see that contacts is the only folder that we got. So we have successfully deleted the Drive folder. So if we go back to the files of Ubuntu Linux, we see that we have successfully deleted it. All right. Okay, so there is one more thing that needs to be done, and it is going to be restarting the Redmine. So it also depends on your configuration of Redmine. For example, if you're using a Bitnami Redmine, virtual machine. You can switch it off, then switch it on. You can turn off the server in general, turn it on, and so on. In my case, I'm running the Redmine into the Linux terminal. Okay, so here it is. No, this is not. Here it is. So it is started here and it is running now. So if I close this window, and this actually shuts down my Redmine. So if I refresh here, I do not see the Redmine anymore. So I need to open the terminal again and start it. So I change the directory to this one. And yeah, so I need to start it again. So this is my way of restarting Redmine. Okay. So I start it again. And if I go back here and refresh, I see that actually it hasn't been started yet. Yeah, it is now started. So if I refresh now, I see that my Redmine is up and running now. And I see that Drive is no more listed here. It is successfully removed from our Redmine. It is completely removed. Okay, so yeah, this was the video about completely removing the Drive plugin from Redmine 7. And if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUp. You could subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the videos, and if you have some questions or problems, please feel free to contact us at support@redmineup.com. We're going to help you as always. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.